The Tale of Four Fools. In a tall tree, in a jungle, there lived a little brown bird. Every morning, it sang sweetly. Down on the ground fell a few grains of gold from its beak as it sang. One morning, a hunter saw the grains of gold dropping down from its beak. He said to himself, "What a luck! I must catch this bird and carry it home. Every day, it will give me grains of gold. Soon, I will be a very rich man." The hunter, then, spread a net on the ground, and scattered some food grains there. The brown bird saw the food grains, and flew into the net. The hunter caught the bird and carried it home. From that day onwards, the hunter got a few grains of gold every day, and soon, he became a very rich man. Then, he thought that he must get some fame and honor. So, he made a beautiful cage of gold and put the bird into it. Then he gave away the cage of gold and the bird to the king, and said, "Your Majesty, this bird will sing sweet songs in your palace and give you grains of gold every day." The king was glad to receive the present. He gave the hunter a seat of honor in his court. Soon the king also had a lot of gold. He gave away the cage of gold and the bird to his beloved queen, who set the bird free, gave the cage to a goldsmith and said, "Make the most beautiful ornaments from this cage of gold for me." The bird flew back to the jungle. Every morning it sang the tale of four fools. It sang, "I got trapped into the hunter's net. I was the first fool. The hunter gifted me to the king. The hunter was the second fool. The king gifted me to the queen. The king was the third fool. The queen set me free. The queen was the fourth fool."